Last year, Americans lost more than $11 billion to crypto scams. Not millions, billions. That number came straight from the FBI, and it was a 22% jump from the year before. Globally, Chainalysis estimates total crypto fraud losses in 2025 reached as high as $17 billion. The scams are getting bigger, smarter, and harder to spot. So if you have ever wondered whether crypto is safe to get into, or if you are already in and want to make sure you are protected, this video is exactly what you need right now. This is not a video telling you to avoid crypto. Crypto is real, it is growing, and millions of people use it the right way every single day. But there is a difference between buying crypto the smart way and buying it without knowing what is out there waiting for you. By the end of this video, you will know the most dangerous scams happening in 2026, the warning signs to spot before it is too late, and the exact steps to buy crypto safely. This is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice, so always do your own research and consult a professional for your specific situation. Let us start with the single most dangerous crypto scam operating right now. It is called pig butchering, and it is responsible for billions in losses every single year. The name sounds strange, but the way it works is deeply calculated. Organized crime networks, mostly based in Southeast Asia, run these operations like professional businesses. They have scripts, managers, and in many cases, the people sending the messages are themselves trafficking victims forced to work in fraud compounds. You might feel sympathy for the person contacting you. In some cases, that person is a victim too. Here is how the scam works. Someone reaches out on a dating app, social media, LinkedIn, or even a wrong number text. The message feels harmless. They seem friendly and genuinely interested. Over days or weeks, they build a connection. Then, slowly, they mention that they have been making great returns through a crypto investment platform. They offer to show you. They walk you through an account on a platform you have never heard of. Early results look amazing. You invest more. And then, when you try to withdraw, the platform demands fees or taxes before releasing your funds. No matter what you pay, there is always another demand. Then one day the person stops responding. The platform goes dark. Your money is gone. The FBI says investment scams like pig butchering cost Americans $8.7 billion in 2025 alone. And here is the part that should make you stop. 77% of victims contacted by law enforcement had no idea they were being scammed while it was happening. The fake platform looks real. The conversations feel genuine. The profits appear on screen. It is a full performance designed to earn your trust before taking everything. The warning signs are clear once you know them. Someone you met online brings up crypto within days or weeks. They point you to a platform you cannot verify. You see fast returns that seem too good. And when you try to take money out, there is always a reason you cannot. Now let us talk about how to actually buy crypto the right way. The first rule is to only use exchanges that are regulated and publicly established. This sounds obvious, but it is exactly where most beginners go wrong. A scammer in a pig butchering scheme always steers you away from legitimate platforms and toward one they control. A real exchange has a verifiable legal registration, a public team, audited proof of reserves, and reviews from real users across independent sources. Well-known regulated platforms have track records, published security audits, and oversight from financial authorities in multiple countries. You can look them up, read about them, and verify their legitimacy before you deposit a single dollar. Even on a legitimate exchange, you need to set it up safely. The moment you create an account, turn on two-factor authentication immediately. Use an authenticator app, not just a text message code, because phone numbers can be hijacked through an attack called SIM swapping. Use a strong password you have never used anywhere else, and never share your account details with anyone. No real exchange will ever ask you to send crypto to another wallet to verify your account or unlock a feature. If you see that request, it is a scam every single time. The second major danger in 2026 is fake apps and fake websites. In April 2026, a fake Ledger hardware wallet app appeared on the Apple App Store and stole $9.5 million from users before it was removed. It had the right logo, looked identical to the real thing, and passed the App Store review system. Users entered their recovery phrases and lost everything instantly. So before you download any crypto app or wallet, go directly to the official website of that product first and find the real download link there. Do not search in the App Store and click the first result. Scammers pay for placement and copy legitimate branding precisely to fool that kind of fast search. The third major scam type surging in 2026 is AI-powered impersonation. The FBI logged more than 22,000 AI-related fraud complaints in 2025, with losses approaching $900 million. Scammers are now using deepfake technology to impersonate famous investors, crypto influencers, and exchange support staff. You might see a video of a well-known figure promising to double any crypto you send them. Or you might get a message from what appears to be official support asking you to confirm your wallet details. Real companies will never ask for your seed phrase, private key, or password through any channel. If anyone claiming to be from a crypto company is asking for those details, close the conversation and contact the company directly through their official website. Here is a number that should hit hard. Impersonation scam complaints rose by more than 1,400% between 2024 and 2025, according to Chainalysis. 1,400%. Scammers flood every platform with fake profiles and fake support accounts because it works. They know people trust authority, so they pretend to be it. The defense is straightforward. Bookmark the official website of every platform you use. If you receive a support message, close it and go directly to the official site to verify through their real contact channels. Never click links in unsolicited messages, even if the sender looks completely official. There is one more scam worth knowing before we close, because it is particularly cruel. It is called a recovery scam. If someone has already been victimized by crypto fraud and they search online for help getting money back, predators are waiting there too. These fake agencies promise to trace and retrieve lost crypto for an upfront fee. They use legal-sounding language, fake testimonials, and official-looking websites. The only thing they recover is whatever the victim has left. The FBI flagged recovery scams as producing $1.4 billion in losses in 2025. If you have been scammed, report it to the FBI at ic3.gov and to your country's financial regulator. Do not pay anyone who cold contacts you offering to get your money back. So here is your complete safety checklist for buying crypto in 2026. Only use regulated, publicly verified exchanges with a track record you can research independently. Enable two-factor authentication with an authenticator app the moment you create any account. Never share your seed phrase, private key, or password with anyone for any reason. Download apps only from links on official product websites, not from App Store searches. Be immediately suspicious of anyone you meet online who brings up crypto investing, no matter how genuine the relationship feels. Ignore promises of guaranteed returns, free crypto, or offers to double your money. Verify all support communications by going directly to the official website, and if something ever feels off, walk away. The goal is not to fear crypto, the goal is to buy it the way people who actually keep their money do it. Crypto is one of the fastest growing financial spaces on the planet. More than 560 million people worldwide now hold some form of digital assets, and that number keeps climbing. The opportunity is real, but so is the risk of walking in without knowing what is out there. You now have the knowledge most people only get after losing something. Use it. If this video helped you or someone you know, hit the like button right now and share it with one person who is thinking about getting into crypto. Subscribe and turn on notifications because we drop new videos every week breaking down how to navigate this space without getting burned. Drop a comment below telling us which scam surprised you the most. We read every single one. Stay safe, and we will see you in the next one.